Let's get started. So in this video, we'll continue our previous video where we were trying to add domain to our tenant. So the domain was purchased from GoDaddy. It was added to Hostinger for web services, and name server was already updated in GoDaddy, and it was replicated all over the server. We tried adding domain to our tenant, and for that we verified using txt record. We have already added mx record and txt record, which was also SPF record. So the replication was pending, and when we tried again, it gave us this error, which is expected is this and actual is this. So we have already removed this one and this one. So as we are trying to add domain to our tenant, so we will have to remove this SPF record, which is from Hostinger, and this MX record, which is also from Hostinger, as we will be using email services from Microsoft. After removing this, give it some time and let's click on continue. See if it is replicated. It says, yeah, it's done. So TechSouth.org is all set up and we can use it. So done. So now you see it's healthy. This one is incomplete as we tried adding this domain, which is already registered in a different tenant. So that's why it's giving error. And for that, we added this one. So we have the option whether if we want to make this domain default, set as default, or this domain default. This one is already the default, so that's why it's not giving us the option to make it default. However, we can make any other domain default. Set as default. This is not added, and this one, so we can make it default. So that was it for domain related task. We can also check domain related records using MX Toolbox and by using command prompt with the command nslookup set q equal to mx, enter, and name of the domain. So we have updated information. It's already updated, and that's also verified in our domain section. So that's it for this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.